In a land far away, hidden within the whispers of the wind, there existed an enchanted garden where wonders blossomed and magic flourished. Meet Benny, a curious bunny with a heart full of dreams. One day, Benny discovered a mysterious pathway that led to the heart of the enchanted garden. As Benny ventured deeper into the garden, he met Oliver, the wise old owl who guarded the secrets of the enchanted realm. Oliver sensed something special in Benny. The enchanted garden was losing its magic, and Oliver revealed that the key to its restoration was the lost star. Benny, full of determination, embarked on a quest to find it. Throughout his journey, Benny faced challenges, but found unexpected allies like Bella, the chatty butterfly. Together, they navigated through magical meadows and enchanted forests. After overcoming challenges and solving riddles, Benny and Bella discovered the lost star nestled within the petals of a radiant flower. The garden's magic began to bloom again. With the lost star back in its place, the enchanted garden came alive with vibrant colors and joyful sounds. Benny and Bella's quest had saved the magical realm. And so, Benny's courage and friendship restored the enchantment of the garden, turning it into a haven of magic, wonder, and everlasting joy.